Last year, I spent an hour trying to create an ad for a fictional cookie brand using AI, and the results were abstract. It definitely wasn't anything I actually put in front of a customer. This week, however, I tried the same thing with Gemini Omni, and it took less than 5 minutes. It actually looked pretty good. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it and how you can remain consistent with brand guidelines and create the perfect ad for your small business. For those of you new to the channel, my name is Cian and I'm the AI productivity coach. And I've taught thousands of people how to use AI to make their lives and work way easier. So if that sounds like you, please make sure to subscribe and join me on this journey. But for now, let's jump into how I created the ad using Gemini Omni and AI. The fictional business that I have is called Dough My Gosh. A fantastic name, but basically it's a cookie delivery business. Personally, I think I just created this idea when I was hungry for a cookie. So if you get hungry for cookies in this video, I apologize in advance. And the goal was basically to generate a 10-second promotional ad for the business. Basically have 5 scenes with a consistent character and a consistent brand feel and look. And we also wanted to have basically 0 production budget. Here are the 3 steps I used to create this ad. The first step is generate the images. Ultimately, we want 5 different images that have a consistent look that we can then use to feed into the video generator. Basically, it's 1 image per scene. Now, you can change this to however many scenes you want or however long you want the video, but for this video, we're just going to have 5 scenes. So to generate the image, you can basically use any of these tools that generate images. So it could be ChatGPT, or you could just do it in Gemini itself, given that we're going to create the video there. The word consistent is doing a lot of the work here. If your mascot looks different in every image, the ad is going to kind of fall apart. So here's how to solve that. You basically add a style line to every single prompt. It locks in the character, the colors, and the art style across the 5 images. And the one I use is basically a square, 1-to-1, flat 2D vector illustration, same cheerful cookie mascot, wearing a blue chef's hat. I want to use this color code of orange and this color code of blue, have thick black outlines, simple 2-tone gradient background, no extra characters, no photorealism, no style variation between the images. Now, this is the image that I wanted to create. If you don't know specifically what you want there, you can always just add a reference image and ask it to create a specific style guide for that. Or you can play around in the chat with Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude, whatever it is, and kind of create this style guide that suits your business. Once you have that style reference, you can basically then add 1 short line to the prompt to create the image. And also with each of these images, you can then attach the first image that you've created or the image that you're really happy with and use that as the reference image. So Gemini or ChatGPT or whatever can create an image similar to that and keep that consistency. And so the rough flow of the ad is going to be basically a cookie mascot sees an empty cookie jar, feels sad, wants to have cookies straight away, so orders it on the Dough My Gosh app, hits the order now button. We'll see a delivery coming straight to the door with someone on a scooter. Then the delivery cookie will be holding a fresh set of cookies. And finally, it ends up with the cookie really happy. So as you saw there, each image used the previous one as a reference point. So we've got this fairly consistent cookie mascot, and now I'm going to put all the images together and create the ad and the video. So step 2 is animate. So to do that, I'm basically going to go into create video, which is Gemini Omni, as you can see up here. I'm going to add all the reference images that I just created. So one thing that might be helpful here is that I've named them all scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, and scene 5, just to make it clear to Gemini Omni what the order should be. And once I've uploaded all those images, I can just add a very quick prompt. I actually used Gemini to help me create this prompt as well to make it very specific. Again, you have all the scenes laid out here, has all the reference images, and let's see what it comes up with. So here's what the final output was. So pretty good. Like, I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. It's remained fairly consistent, and that's due to the images being so aligned. And Omni has done a really good job of pulling them all together. But let's say you wanted to change certain parts of the video, and that moves us on to step number 3, and that is to edit it. You can basically re-prompt Gemini and change the video slightly by just adding a prompt and telling it what you want. So for the sake of this, I'm just going to add a quick call to action at the end. So basically, let's show the text order now in bold white on an orange background, and then you just prompt it. Again, wait a few minutes, and then you have your final video and it's included. That took me around 5 minutes, apart from waiting for the videos to load. Really simple to do. I was able to work on all the things as they were loading, so this was a really quick way to get that ad together. So here's the part that's worth knowing. So if you hired an agency to do this for a small business, so doing the storyboard, the illustrations, and the animation, it would probably cost you around $1,400, and it would probably cost you also 2 weeks in time going back and forth, aligning on the final edit. To do this with Gemini, you just need to pay $20 per month to get access to Gemini Omni. And it'd probably take you about 5 minutes if you have a clear idea of what you want. A way quicker, way cheaper solution for a simple ad for a small business here. Now, I'll be the first to admit that it's not perfect, but for a small business without a dedicated creator or production team or a very small production budget, this is a pretty good option. I'd love to know how you're using Gemini Omni and what you would use this for. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe and join me on this journey. I also have a weekly AI productivity newsletter and you can sign up to it using the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Go enjoy that cookie right now and I'll see you in the next video.